god, there's a branch and you choose to go in the way of a car coming the opposite direction. Where's the sense in that? My god. What's going to do more damage? A car hitting you head on or you hitting a branch? Jesus Christ. We have a rare moment in Dashcam history. It's actually an Audi waiting patiently at the giveaway. Okay, they've overshot it a little bit, but they actually waited. This is why you need wheel washers. Look at all this mud.
Turn right onto A129 London Road.
Fucking hell. Wheel spin. Wheel spin on the mud there when I was trying to get out. We have a Westcliff GoPros special. A queue jumper coming up to the A12 from the A130. You're gonna content, are you? Yeah, there we go.
Exit to the left to A12 towards London.
Check out this glare. It makes it extremely hard to actually see the road and which lane you're in and everything like that. And the camera actually lessens the glare, believe it or not. So it was much worse in person. We'll get buckled. We can try and what are you doing in that lane turning left from there, mate? You shouldn't be there. Talking about people in the wrong lane, watch the white car just appear in lane 1. They should be in lane 2 now. But they don't want to get in the queue. And then you get the BMW. Yeah.
Slam on his brakes, it's going too fucking fast.
Where did they even come from, right? Did they just come from the left lane?
Yeah, it was the left lane. I don't know. Fucking way back. Look, what's the point of going right up to him and slamming on your brakes?
And then just do that.
Straight, yeah.
When, look, for me, I join absolutely no hassle whatsoever. No problems. I don't need to get in that lane or anything. You're now right up the arse of someone other, another car. I've got no problem. I joined, didn't have to overly accelerate or anything like that.
At the maximum speed limit.
Yeah. No problem whatsoever.
If Dan and Vicky want dinner, should we just, I was thinking, oh no, because Vicky's on the bloody weird ass diet eating. I was thinking just getting a couple of pizzas.
I take it you want this lane then. Yeah, you're going to want this fucking lane. Knew exactly what they were doing there. They knew exactly what they were doing. They didn't want to wait in the queue, so they just cut in front. Knew exactly what they were doing. No, of course they don't. And now the bus is hanging out so much, and I have to pinch the car on the inside. You can't across multiple lanes.
Oh, what the fuck's going on?
See what happens when you don't take the roundabout properly. You get idiots like that. Although that car was in that lane, so they should have figured it out earlier and not cut in front. So. Oh my god! There's fucking arseholes everywhere. And just ignore the whole right away then because it fed up with waiting. We're watching this red car behind. Although there's a nice big gap, they can get into the correct lane that they want, i.e. this lane, which I'm in. They don't. They sit in the wrong lane. And then something obviously clicks because they suddenly speed up and zoom past me. You can see that I'm going pretty consistent speed. I've got people in front of me, as you can see now. But this red car realizes now, oh, we need the other lane, and decides to cut in front of the van. There we go. Not content with that, they now want the fourth lane. Well, they could have easily got into the correct lane earlier and been perfectly fine. And here we're looking at a very strange fire truck. Another Westcliff GoPro special queue jumper. In lane 3 as we see it now, and they decide that they now want to go across all 3 lanes into lane 1. Here they go. You're gonna be a queue jumper.
Exit left to A12 towards London.
Going from lane 3 to lane 1. Van 3. Yeah, there we go, cut. Yeah, we would. Lane 3 to lane 1, so then cut in.
The look.
Here we have an impatient van behind, because they must get to lane 2 at all costs, even if it means cutting up another van. Why drive badly when you've got your company on the side of your van? This car has a little twitch in the bad weather. Also, I don't understand why people travel so close in such bad conditions.